Welcome to Zach's Nature Videos! Blah, blah, blah. Alright, today we're going to be driving around on our gator, and here's my cameraman, Giacomo. He is my brother's friend. Here's Nate, sitting in the back seat. Jillian also sitting in the back seat. Alright, here. I just start filming stuff.
I will be our second cameraman. Right here. I'll point downstairs.
Here we go.
What's up? Yes.
Just like film stuff and talk about it.
That's a tree made in Japan.
Artificial trees.
An artificial tree made in Japan.
Can't be.
That's a pool. There's a pool made in China.
Probably.
There's a house made in China.
Probably.
No, there's a tree made in Britain. No, the house must be made in the U.S. because it's like that. There's a stump. It's made in Stumpville. There's a vagina.
Made in your mother's stomach.
There's my grandma. There's my aunt and uncle. See, it's that house right there on the side.
Now you better not have eaten my chocolate, Sonny.
Oh, I hear. Run for your life.
Nate, sit down.
This is the quest for candy.
Dun, dun.
This will be containing 506,000 people on a quest for candy, finding them in Rabbitville. Rabbit. And there's a rabbit. A rabbit. Evil there. Portal comet. Another rabbit. Portal comet. A birdie. A rabbit. Portal comet. Chicken and turds. There's my brains. There's my farts. There's a chicken. There's a turd. There's a wheel. There's another wheel. There's a house made in Brooklyn. There's a room. This is a tree. A tree of trees. Wait, stop.
Oh,
There's a
fish.
beehive.
Look at the fish. What?
There's a finch.
Look at this artificial grass.
See, artificial grass.
Oh my god, artificial grass is so artificial.
This is artificial grass. Look at that. This is wheat from vaginas. The wheat. Okay. Hey, you talk.
Hey, that video is pretty fun.
This is cheese made in Cheeseville. There's a tree, a pine tree. That tree up there is called a pine tree.
Pine trees are the
They're pine cones. And they're not artificial.
No.
There's a playground. All the way over there. This is the bumpy ride. Go to the playground because I'm describing it. The playground. This is a trail. The trail leads to many other trails, which those trails lead to
I'm gonna get it this
houses.
time. I'm gonna get it.
He's gonna get something this time. I wonder what.
Yes! I didn't get fooled. Haha.
By what?
I always forget to go through this trail, and I've always wanted to.
What if your uncle really cut down those nails? There's an artificial foot. Artificial dirt. Artificial face.
Show 'em the sun.
Artificial sun.
I don't know how that's possible.
I don't even. Oh, there's artificial sun.
This sun will set, and then you can see Saturn, Jupiter, and Mars, 3 and 5 into a triangle. So make sure you look out there.
Shut up.
Guys, look at this artificial dirt. It's super good grass.
Shut up.
Come on, show me the artificial dirt.
Shut up.
And then there's a dirt. And there's part of artificial dirt.
Nate, this is technically all Uncle Joe's grass.
Artificial dirt. Artificial tree.
This is a pear.
This is a pet. This is a pet.
That was a
This
while
is a
ago.
pet.
Nate, why have you been going through it?
This is a pet. This is a pet. This is a pet. Oh, jeez!
And that's how you make Jack the same. Stop! Jeez!
There's a fire pit. There's a path up ahead. That path leads to Candyville.
No, that path is nowhere else.
It actually sort of does leave the candy mill, my grandma.
Yes, exactly.
There's the wheat. This wheat is made in vagina, also known as Brooklyn.
Look at this artificial thing. I like it.
Stop when you get some candy.
Candy? Does she have any,
I'm just kidding, we're not stopping.
what?
She ran out of candy.
Dude!
Oh, damn it.
There's a deer! A deer! Oh, it's running away. There's his grandma's house and a frog, and there's his grandma. And there's grass.
Stop.
There's cheese. And there's a garage, an artificial garage made in cheese. Now, if you want to eat this. Mini meats. I'm gonna cancel this video.
No, don't.
Because I said vagina.
Stop, seriously.
Oh, say, can you eat by the dance early teat? And if you eat a geniati,
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. There's a stump, bum bum bum, and a bunch of birdies flying away, and a tree. Look at the pretty birdies in the stump all the way down there. This is one of the worst nature videos I've ever made. Oh God.
And Nathan directed it.
This is Zach, Giacomo, Nate, and Jill signing off.